Firefighters battled a large growing fire on Sunday, burning in San Bernardino County, California, that has scorched more than 1,000 acres, prompting evacuations and closure of several roads. Dubbed the pilot fire, the blaze has been listed as fast growing. Nearly 30 major wildfires are reported to have scorched roughly 700 square miles in 12 states, mostly in the West, according to the National Interagency Fire Center in Boise, Idaho. The fire threat, coming in the middle of the region's summer travel season, has prompted the closure of several popular California campgrounds and recreation areas.